Claude just came out with Fable 5 and it's one of the newest model. So today in this video we are going to look up on how it's stacking up against the SEO prompts that we were using, how Fable 5 is faring up so well in and around what we are going to use it for SEO. I have used it before recording this video and it is just insane. It has been just doing so well for all of the SEO prompts that we were using it for. This is one of the outputs for on-page SEO audit that we had conducted. By the way, if you want access to all of the prompts that we are using it for, comment prompt down below and you'll get access to the whole prompt stack that I'm using. And we were able to take businesses from $0 to $2.8 million in revenue using SEO and Claude. If you want access to the whole system, or if you want us to come in and implement all of that into your local business, go to alventramarketing.com. The link would be in the description, and click on the get started button, book a call with us, and we'll audit your business for you. We'll see what is it that is preventing your business from getting the desired SEO results and getting in a lot more lead flow and everything. But let's jump into the video and let's see how we are able to actually do everything here. So first thing that we are going to do is we'll be creating a brain inside Claude Fable 5. But before that, I want to show you what is an output that we are seeing with Fable 5. So in this particular one, I have given it a prompt that is asking it to conduct a full on-page SEO audit and put together. So what we have asked Fable 5 to do is go to this URL. So let's assume you are a roofing contractor in Dallas and your website is thedallasroofer.com. What I've asked is to go and conduct a detailed on-page SEO audit, which it includes a title, tag, meta description, URLs, all of that, H1, and also at the same time do an analysis of your current on page, compare that with your competitors. So it's not a standalone on page SEO audit, but actually an SEO audit that is comparing your current on page SEO with your competitors. So it's a very good on page SEO report. This now just doing this exercise would probably take a day for an experienced SEO like me. I've been doing SEO for over 14 years. So even for someone like me to do a full SEO on-page audit and present that in a report like this would probably take a day or so to fully analyze the data, first collect all of that data, analyze it and put it in a report, which is something Fable 5 was able to do it in a matter of minutes. So it's just magical how quickly Fable 5 was able to not only do this exercise, put everything in together in one PDF report. So, and you can see the overall on-page SEO score for this particular website, it gave it 5.4 out of 10. So there's a huge room for improvement if you are the owner of this website and if you're watching this video. The keyword that you want to rank for example, is roof replacement Dallas, and that is what, if you want to rank for, your current overall on page SEO score is only 5.4 out of 10 for that particular page, and benchmarked versus all of these competitors of yours, and that is what you would, and this is also particularly showing you everything that you need to know from an SEO perspective, like this is your title tag, that is what is rating it out of 10, what is wrong with it, what is it that you need to rewrite. So it is not only just telling you what's wrong, but what is it that you need to fix and what should be the exact rewrite of it. So then exact rewrite of this is your current title, this should be your rewritten title of your meta title. Similarly, meta description, there is no meta description right now on that page, this should be the meta description. And the best part is you can ask Claude Fable 5 to actually go ahead and execute all of these changes on your website. Let's assume this is a WordPress website, you can give it WordPress access and you can ask Claude Fable 5 to actually go ahead and execute all of these changes onto your website. That is where this is very different than any typical Chat GPT or Gemini and all of that it is not giving you just generic advice. It is actually comparing you with your competitors and then giving you very targeted advice. So this is not typical local SEO advice that you get. It's almost to the point of having an SEO and very experienced SEO sitting into your business. So this is like having your own SEO team, and that they have not only analyzed you but your competitors as well, and they are giving you very detailed and targeted to the point SEO advice. So this is on the home page. Then it is also analyzing your content, their heading structure, and then finally it is giving you what should be the correct heading structure onto your page. So right now the heading structure that is there on this current page is not correct. This should be the heading structure on the page, where the h1 has the keyword into it, then there is h2, then there are h3 nested within those h2s, and this is what should be the overall final heading structure onto your page. So what you can do is, then the next prompt that I would give is, I'd ask Claude Cowork to come up with a content piece following this content outline. And what Claude Cowork could do is, it will give you a full content piece onto for you, that you can simply paste onto your content for this particular page. Or you can even ask, like I said, Claude Cowork to actually create the page around it, and it will log into your WordPress and it will create the page around it. It will take some time for it to figure everything out, but yes, it can actually do all of that stuff for you as well. Thing that Claude Cowork with Fable 5 is able to do is, it can also critique your body copy of the content. So let's say you have gotten this content written by a content writer, or you have used AI to get all of this content written. What it can look at is, if you run a local business, it will look at whether the opening 100 words of content is directly talking to your ICP, which is someone who's getting to get their roof replaced in Dallas. Is it actually talking to them? Is it properly talking to them? Is it actually getting them enticed enough to give you a call? All of that. And it is, are you using the keyword properly, both from an SEO perspective? Are you overusing it? Are you underusing it? All of that. Then from an SEO perspective, are you doing using the entity coverage properly? Are using NLP terms properly? All of that stuff, it is properly putting it into a report that you need to know. Then there is supporting on page elements, like, are you using proper images properly? Does the image file names are used properly? Everything that you need to know from an SEO perspective is there in this report. So it's a very, very detailed report from an SEO on page point of view, that you need to know, with a proper scoring attached to it. So what I would do is, I take this report, give it to my SEO person, if there's an SEO person, or better yet, I just talk to Claude and ask it to, okay, how do I execute on this report? Here is the logins. I'll just log in to my website, WordPress backend or Webflow, whatever you're using, onto my website, and I'll say, here is, I've logged into my website here. How do you help me fix actually all of this on my website? And Claude would very gladly help you actually fix all of that. So it's not a chatbot where it's just talking to you to help to, okay, you go fix it yourself. That's the difference between Claude Cowork and other AI tools, that it's just not talking to you, it's will actually go ahead and execute all of that for you. So this is not just a pretty looking report, but now with you can talk back to Claude and Cowork, and it will actually help you execute all of this. So Fable 5 has been magical. The output that it is giving me is much better than Opus and all of the previous versions that were there. So do try it out, do look at it, and tell me in the comment section how you are seeing, what kind of output you are seeing overall coming from it. And if you want to get access to, like I said, all of this 22 prompt system, try all of these prompt system. Start with building a brain. Like I said, use this to build a brain in and around your business. If you build the brain, create a project inside Claude Cowork, first of all, build this brain about your business. It will take you some time. It may take you 10-15 minutes to fill out this prompt properly, but once you do that, the output that Fable 5 will give you would be much better than a generic output, because then Fable would be able to understand what does your business stand for, what is it, who all are your competitors, what all the services do you provide, what are the secondary services, primary services, what are services areas that you do, what are your current rankings, everything that it needs to understand. Because it will have an understanding of it, it will give you much better outputs. So that is what I would start with. And then there is 22 prompt system. I'll try one by one all of this. Because of that, it will give you such better results. And so try all of these out and let me know in the comment section how you see the results from it, especially compare it with Opus and all of the previous versions, and drop it in the comment section. I read all of these comments, so let me know, and based on that I'll create new videos and guide you from all of that. If you want us to take care of your SEO, go to alventramarketing.com and book a call with us. See you in the next one.